Abi, how are you doing?
Cozy. So.
You were deputy head of house, I believe?
Yes, sir.
Or not, because I barely saw you do anything.
No.
Did you feel like a deputy head of house? Did you feel like you were carried along this week?
Well, not really, but
How
like...
so?
I mean, like in the beginning, it just felt like, oh, okay, yeah, you're the deputy, but it's like, okay, it's just a name, just to say, okay, you did, like, you have a title. Like, it wasn't like, oh, as the deputy, like, this and this and this is your role, or this is your chair. I don't get chair, but it's fine. So, like, it just didn't feel, and like, one or two people even told me, like, madam, not just title they give you, and I really felt like that, so, yeah.
What did you do about it?
Nothing.
Cassi, what's up?
I'm good, Ebuka.
So, you know, a lot of you, I've heard you guys talk this week. Oh, I'm using this week to, you know, settle in, understand myself. Meanwhile, one of you might be leaving today. If you left today, would you say that you've left an impression on the viewers in any way?
Me? No, I wouldn't say I've left an impression.
Why did you not try? And this is not just to you. There's a lot of you like that. What are you waiting for?
There's no excuse, actually.